Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start right now by confirming the essentials: a laptop or desktop with a webcam, updated browser, and a plain background. Once logged into the Upsc portal, navigate to the specific application and open the photo upload area. Make sure your ID is beside you and camera permissions are allowed. Click the Capture Live Photo button immediately. This begins the live capture tool. Position yourself within the frame, eyes forward, neutral expression, and keep shoulders visible so the system can validate proportions. Now focus on the precise capture steps. You should center your face in the provided 3-4 frame and maintain a neutral expression. This helps automated checks succeed. Once done, use soft, even lighting from the front and remove glasses or headgear unless required. Click the Capture button when steady, then immediately inspect the preview. Make small adjustments with the Crop and Rotate tools, so the face fills the specified area and cheek-to-chin proportions match Upsc guidelines before accepting the image. Finish by accepting the corrected preview and clicking Upload to attach the live photo to your application. After submission, download or screenshot the confirmation page and the uploaded photo preview so you have proof. If the portal rejects the image, retake it with slightly different lighting or distance. Troubleshoot by ensuring camera permissions are granted, clearing the browser cache, disabling extensions, or switching browsers. If problems persist, use another device or visit a nearby photo center to capture a compliant image and re-upload.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.